In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert an image into a PDF, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, you're going to begin with any image that you choose. Now, for example, I'm just going to open up a random image, and as you can see, you can copy it, so I'm just going to do that, and I am going to paste it into a Google Doc. Now, once this is pasted, you can then click on File and click on Download. You have an option to choose PDF, so just do that, and it'll automatically download into a PDF. As you can see, if you click it, the image is now converted into a PDF. If you want it to fit the screen, all you're going to have to do is just do that in Google Docs itself, but that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.